Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have our 23 Lowrider ST in the shop, and we are happy to introduce you to a brand new product for us. These are our mid-frame air deflectors. They're going to fit 18 and up Softails. These are a direct bolt-on, just a few pieces of hardware, and you'll have these on your machine. These are going to direct a lot of heat off the engine away from your legs. We're going to jump into a quick installation and show you how to keep the steam off your beans. Let's go. Okay guys, what you're going to need for this installation is a 9/16 wrench, a 5/16 Allen, and a 3/8 socket. All the hardware is included with this kit that you're going to need for the install. Okay, first part of the install, we need to take off our seat. We'll go ahead and do that with a Phillips. Get the seat off. Okay, the first part of the installation here is you're going to want to remove this large tank bolt using your 9/16 wrench and your 5/16 Allen. Make sure you retain your acorn nut for future use. Okay, the next step is we're going to be removing these two bolts here using a 3/8 socket. Okay, next we're going to install the clutch side air deflector using the supplied hardware here, which is the bolt and washer, as well as a 7/16 socket. We're just going to get this started. We're not going to tighten it down all the way, so we can line everything up for the full installation with the other side. Okay, go ahead and repeat that with the brake side deflector. Again, we're not going to tighten this down all the way quite yet. Let's get it started. All right, once you have both of the air deflectors in place, it's time to reinstall your tank bolt. You may need to lift up on the tank a little bit to get this through. Line it up, push it through the other side. And then we're going to reuse the acorn nut, get that started. And now we'll go ahead and tighten everything up. All right, go ahead and tighten everything up. We'll tighten down the tank bolt first. Once that's tight, we'll go ahead and tighten down these remaining two bolts. And those are now fully installed. Okay, the final part of the installation is we want to get our OEM seat back on. Make sure you cop yourself a bottle of HOGWORKZ Swine Shine. It's going to shine the bike up like you've never seen before.